How to send WhatsApp messages to all contacts at a time. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can send an individual WhatsApp message to all contacts at the same time. Now, to do so, what you need to do is open up WhatsApp and then tap on the three dots option at the top right corner of the screen and tap on the new broadcast option. Now here what you want to do is tap on the participants that you want to send messages to. Now I'll just select few here, and then what you want to do is once you select it, tap on the tick mark option and you can see the broadcast has been created. Now you can head into the broadcast profile here and you can edit recipients. You can delete them from here. You can delete broadcast list or you can add new one here. You can edit recipients and then you can add either, or you can remove or add them from here. Now once you do this, if you type in a message and then send it, it will be sent as an individual message. Now you can see the message has been sent here to two persons. Here on my chat list it has been sent as an individual text, and it will be sent to the other user as an individual text too. So this way you can send WhatsApp message to all contacts at a single time. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.